what's up guys, it's Phil over here. Today I'm going to be doing a review video. This is going to be on the Exped Megamat Duo. So this is the latest addition that we added to our IKamper recently. We've had the IKamper for about 2 years now. I've been reluctant to add an extra sleeping mattress here because the camper was so expensive already. But with my wife being a side sleeper and us overlanding a little bit more these days, we decided to go ahead and upgrade the mattress. So we went with the Exped Megamat Duo. There was a couple options that were out in the market. Some of them were generic brands, and it came down to the Exped Megamat Duo and the new IKamper mattress. But because the IKamper mattress was sold out, I didn't want to wait. I went ahead and picked this up from REI, and it's been great. So we've had it for about 3 months now. We've taken it out on almost about a dozen trips. Today's been the longest trip so far at 3 days, and usually after 2 days or so on the road, sleeping on the IKamper mattress, I start to get some stiffening on my back. And what I've noticed with the Exped is after the 3rd day, I'm still good. I don't feel any soreness anywhere. I'm not dreading another night of sleeping if I have to. Also, my wife is a side sleeper, so she usually starts to complain after the first night of sleeping. So having the Exped Megamat is definitely a huge bonus for us in getting better quality sleep. And better quality sleep means a better adventure, and just everything is much better when you sleep. A couple things with the Exped, it did save me a lot of space. With this being flattened out, is actually thinner than the original stock mattresses, so you're technically able to put more storage up here. But even with my 0-degree sleeping bag, it's already really tight, so I wasn't able to fit an additional pillow with the Exped. But nonetheless, it's a little bit roomier. I do feel it's easier on the latches for my IKamper, so that's going to be an added bonus for having an extended life. I didn't want to put any more stress on the latches. So with the Exped being pumped up, is actually raised by about 3 inches, so that's much further out from the flooring. As you can see in the video here, you're able to see the stock mattress here and the Exped Megamat Duo. It's quite a significant. I believe it's like 2 extra inches compared to the stock, and it's nice. I mean, if I added an extra one, we'll have a wider footprint, but because we sleep with the dogs, we're just using one-sided here. This mattress was about almost $400 as is, so it's pricey. I didn't want to spend $200 extra and complete the mat, at least not yet until we get some kids. But overall, it's been a great investment. I don't have a sheet on top of this, so I mean, it's perfect for the video, but that's something that we did forget on this trip. We do pump this up with a plug-in pump, and it inflates in about a minute and a half, so it's pretty quick. It doesn't add any extra setup time that is unwanted. Condensation has been minimal, so we're in California, so I don't really see a lot of condensation like other owners have. But if I start to experience that, I'll start to put on some carpet tiles. But so far, so good. So as I mentioned, this is a 3-day trip. It's the longest we've done all year, and especially with the new mat. So I'm gonna take another trip towards the end of the year. It's gonna be more like a 7 or 8 day trip. And at that point, we'll really be able to test this out, and I'll give you guys a review on how we feel after 7 and 8 days of sleeping on this. But again, I've noticeably been feeling a lot better ever since we've got my mattress. You know, I believe it's worth every penny, just a couple $100, and you know, it is added cost on top of the IKamper, but it gets a thumbs up from us. You know, happy wife is a happy life, and she's sleeping a lot better, so thumbs up to that. Let me know what you guys think of the video. If you guys have any questions in regards to the mat, let me know. I'll drop a product link below for the exact item, because there are several models to this. This one fits the footprint of the IKamper very, very well. And you know, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching the video, and I hope this video helps you guys out in making your decisions. I'll catch you guys later.